I love meeting people. I love talking about money. You and I share that in common. It's an important part of people's lives. And I don't think that enough people talk about it, especially not enough women talk about it. It's kind of faux pas, for the female to talk about money, know about money, especially kind of in the South. I don't know. I think all that's crap. I don't believe in any of that. I think you need to talk about it. You need to understand it. You need to get with the mentality behind it, right? Because whether you like it or not, our society runs on it. So you don't have to agree with the process of it or like how everything works. But if you don't understand the game, you'll get played by it. So
Yeah, it's like Monopoly, right? There's rules to the game. You got to know what the rules are. I'm curious as to your thought. Why do you feel like it's so taboo of a subject? Why do you feel like people shy away? I'm curious to hear your answer on that.
So for me, I think that people shy away because number one, it's complicated. Number two, people can get really emotional surrounding it. People feel very uncomfortable because there's a lot of data surrounding it. And the more data you have in any sort of field, the less sure people feel.